Hello students, we are going to learn exercise 1.3. We explained question number 1 and 2 now. Rational decimal expansion of rational number in P upon Q form. Suppose 0.333 dot. We can write this like this: 0. Recurring 3 means only one number is repeating here. So we are writing this number in the form of P upon Q. Okay. So what is 0. Recurring 3? Let x be the 0.3. Therefore, where is decimal? Or after decimal, how many number? Only one number is repeating. So put 10 on the 1. So 10x is equal to 10 multiplied by 0.3. That is 10x is equal to 10 multiplied by 0.33 like this. That means 3 point recurring 3. So 10x minus x is equal to, what is 10x? 3 point recurring 3. What is x? 0 point recurring 3. So 3 point recurring 3 minus 0 point recurring 3. Answer is 3 only. 10x minus x is 9x. So x is equal to 3 upon 9. That is x is equal to 1 upon 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Now x is equal to, this is 1, 1 is integer, 3 is also integer, means p upon q, q not equal to 0. Like this you can solve. So another number, one more example. 2.4343 dot. So we can write this number like this: 2 point recurring 4. So after decimal there are two numbers which are repeating. Okay. So let x be the 2 point recurring 4. Now two numbers are repeating after decimal, so put 2 zeros on 1. That means we are multiplying by 100 to the both side. Multiplying by 100 to the both side. Okay. So then 100x is equal to 2 multiplied by, 100 multiplied by 2 point recurring 43. So what is the multiplication? 243.43. Understood? After multiplying by 100, decimal will after two numbers. So what is now? 100x minus x is equal to, what is x? What is 100x? 243 point recurring 43 minus, what is x? 2 point recurring 43. Like this. Subtraction 0, 0, 3 minus 2 is 1 and it is like this. That means 100x minus x is 99x. So x is equal to 241 upon 99. Again 241 is p and 99 is q, which is not equal to 0. This is the p upon q form. One more example we are taking. Suppose the number is like this: 3.2454545 like this. Means we can write this number 3.2 recurring 45. अब देखो इसके कारण प्रॉब्लम आ रही क्योंकि 2 के बाद रिपीटिंग नंबर स्टार्ट हो रहे. सो पहले इसके बारे में सोचेंगे. सो इसे इधर ले लेते हैं. तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? सपोज लेट एक्स बी और 3.2 रिकरिंग 45. सो 10x, क्योंकि एक ही नंबर का प्रॉब्लम है. 10x एक नंबर यानी यू हैव टू यूज 10. 332.45. अब आ गया प्रॉब्लम अपने टाइप का. जैसे अपन ने देखा 3 पॉइंट रिकरिंग 3, 0 पॉइंट रिकरिंग 3, फिर 2 पॉइंट रिकरिंग 43 लाइक दिस. ओके, आ गया फॉर्म में. नाउ व्हाट इज you have to use sum method, means which we use for at the starting. Now after decimal again two numbers are repeating. After decimal two numbers are repeating. Two numbers means 2 0. So we are multiplying to the both side by 100. Multiplied by 100 to the both side. स्टार्टिंग में जो मेथड यूज की उसी पर आ गया अपन वापस. ओके, सो 100 multiplied by 10x is equal to 100 multiplied by 32 point recurring 45. ओके, तो ये नंबर बनता है 1000 यानी 1000x इज इक्वल टू. अब ये बनेगा 3245 रिकरिंग 45 लाइक दिस. क्योंकि 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे तो डेसिमल 2 नंबर के बाद आगे चला जाएगा. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप 1000x minus 10x is equal to 3245 point recurring 45 minus what is 10x? 10x is 32 point recurring 45. Subtraction is equal to 0 point. 5 minus 2 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 3230 like this. Got it? 0 then 5 minus 2 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 and 3 as it is. So 10x 1000x minus 10. What is the answer? Understood? 9990x is equal to 3230. X is equal to 3213 divided by 9990. Again, this is P and this is Q. Q not equal to 0. Like this, we can solve the examples, rest examples. Okay, next topic. Express. अब इसके उल्टा चलेंगे. ये क्या किया अपन ने, इनको p अपॉन क्यू की फॉर्म में लाया। अब अगर डेसिमल हो तो उन्हें p अपॉन क्यू की फॉर्म में कैसे लाया जाए। 0.9999 dot dot dot. So we can write this like this. I explained same example at the beginning of this period, this lecture. For example, 0 point recurring thing. Same, we have to use same method here and solve. Okay. Only one number is there after decimal which are repeating. So multiplied by 10. Then 10x is equal to 9 point recurring 9. So 10x minus x, like this you can solve the example. Okay. Find three different numbers. अब मान लो 1/7 and 5/7. These two numbers are there. Write three irrational numbers between these two. How to write irrational number? We can find irrational number between these two is root 1/7 multiplied by 5/7. Like this is equal to 5 ones are 5 upon 49. This is the irrational number which is between 1/7 and 5/7. Classify. How will you classify the numbers which are rational and irrational? मान लो numbers are given. For example, root 23 is the rational or irrational? जिनका रूट निकलता ही नहीं, जो नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग नॉन रिकरिंग है, वो इरेशनल में आते। जिनका रूट ही नहीं निकलता इज इरेशनल नंबर. ओके. रूट 2 to 5. 2 to 5 is a square of 15. So it is rational. This one is rational. Next number 0.3796. Remainder is 0 here because it is not recurring. Okay, division is completely over. So which type of number it is? It is rational number. Terminating number it is. So this one is rational. Then next 7.478 dot 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 478478. This is non-terminating because division is not over. And non-repeating, इसमें कोई भी नंबर रिपीट नहीं. 4 के बाद 7, 7 के बाद 8. अच्छा, सॉरी, इट इज रिपीटिंग. 4 7 8 के बाद वापस 4 7 8, यानी वी कैन राइट दिस नंबर 4 7 8 रिकरिंग. गड़बड़ की मैंने, वापस से देखो 4 7 8 वापस 4 7 8 मीन्स इट इज रिपीटिंग रिकरिंग नंबर. और नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिकरिंग नंबर किस में आते हैं? रैशनल नंबर में आते हैं. इट इज रैशनल. अंडरस्टूड? वन मोर. 1.150 1500 15000 डॉट डॉट डॉट। ये किस टाइप का है? ये नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग है, ये तो समझ में आ रहा, बट इज इट रिकरिंग? 150 1500 15000, इट इज नॉट रिपीटिंग, नंबर्स रिपीट नहीं हो रहे, so it is non-terminating, non-recurring is a irrational number. Understood? So like this you can solve the exercise 1.3. I explained each and every point related to 1.3. Okay, thank you. Solve exercise 1.3 complete.